Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily register on Changelly. And here's a simple process. So the first thing to do, you have to make sure you download the Changelly app, or you go to the website. So from the website you have to sign up or create an account on the home page, then enter your email address and create a strong password. Read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Tap the create account to continue, then open the email inbox and click the verification link sent to your email by Changelly. Then once verified, return to the app or the website, then your Changelly account is fully activated. And here's a quickly safety reminder: always use a valid email address and also enable the 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, to protect your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guides and tricks. You're welcome.